Thank you for choosing Tufx wheelbarrows, makers of the highest quality and strongest wheelbarrows in the marketplace. There are 3 basic steps to converting your Tufx wheelbarrow to a dual wheel wheelbarrow. There are not many parts, and even with limited assembly experience, you'll be able to complete this task in well under 5 minutes. Step 1. Lay out the parts. Make sure you have 1 additional wheel and 1 dual wheel axle assembly, 6 3/4-inch bolts, 4 nuts, and 2 washers will be in the bag attached to the wheel. Tools required will be a 3/4-inch socket and a 3/4-inch wrench. Step 2. Removing the wheel. Remove the existing 3/4-inch wheel bolts from either side of the frame bracket. Remove the wheel by raising the front of the wheelbarrow and withdrawing the wheel. Remove the black poly spacers from either side of the wheel along with the axle. The axle and spacers should be stored in a dry place should you wish to convert your wheelbarrow back to a single wheel. Step 3. Attaching the dual wheels. While holding the dual axle assembly up to the wheelbarrow frame bracket, insert the 4 3/4-inch bolts. Attach the 4 nuts and tighten with the socket while holding the bolt securely with the wrench. Raise the front of the wheelbarrow and slide 1 wheel at a time over either side of the axle assembly. Insert a 3/4-inch bolt and washer on each side and tighten with the socket. It's best practice to check and tighten the nuts and bolts after a few uses. Congratulations, you're done!